Introduce, my name is Adi. Here I am as a marketing staff of CV Wangun Studio. Here I will expansion and official or architect service. With the outbreak of the plague that hit the world, in special Indonesia, many will appreciate one of which was the service of architect consultant. He will come with a new innovation, namely offering an architect consultant service in the online form of home planning and interior design. We are an architect consulting bureau that focus on simple residential and commercial building plan. We are an architect consulting bureau that focus in simple residential and commercial building plan. We are competent to consulting to product lines that are comfortable study and architecturally pleasing. Technical work. In responding to the close pandemic, we are ready to help you online planning. Client can consult via WhatsApp or Zoom or an share screen in needed. We make sure ideal can be pursued officially and you need are not 100% missed. Profit for you. 1. Consultation. A complete or completion consulting service. We add professional architect team regarding your home design need and deserve. 2. Cost breakdown. You can put out the detailed amount of cost need to build your dream house clearly and transparently. 3. 3D design. You can see the design of the dream house in its temporary the list 3D technology image for our team. Deployment suggestion. You will get idea for our expensive team regarding facial tip of the material, building and texture for building your home. Problem solving. To graduate the quit of whole consulting, you will get a solution for our team in 3 abbreviation or problem in consulting. High salary fees. House building the design service culturally have be better quality, so the selling fees will be higher that house without design service. House design package price. 3 package price. 1 brown packs 50.000 for plain log piece and 3D render. 2 service pack this IDR 100.000 meter the full image consultant building detail 3D render, and 3 gold packet in 200.000 the full image consultant building detail 3D render visual video animation. Contact you cost or consulting service ban contacting WhatsApp nomor 0956678919. will great planning your home design. Thank you.